Can
Can you hear me?
Yes. I think it got disconnected. We have a 40-minute buffer period in Zoom. So it got disconnected. Sorry about
Yeah,
that.
that's okay.
So here, as you can see that the lower wick and the upper wick, correct?
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
I was trying to identify a candle which is green in color. Okay. I was trying to identify a candle which is green in color and which is not having the lower wick. So that's how I am trying to find the open equals to low. So these two rules you have to remember to find this kind of candles. The lower wick has to be nil, almost zero, or maybe very, very thin, very small. And based on that, we can think that the candle can be a green candle because open and low is formed and the lower wick is very minimal. That's how we predict that the candle can be green. Two
Okay.
conditions you have to remember. Two conditions you have to remember. But we are still keeping the stop loss because in some cases the market can start going down also, right? So my prediction may get failed. For such cases we are keeping our stop losses, right? See, you are going to get an accuracy of 60 to 70% in this.
That's the probability of success.
Yes. Let's say you are taking 10 trades, then out of 6 trades will be profit and 4 trades may go for losses. So that's the probability.
Mm-hmm.
See, this is basically a probability only, permutation and combination. We are based on the setups, based on the rules, we are planning to predict that the market can go up or market can go down. But because you know that in market there are so many participants, right? There are so many buyers and sellers. We may not know what is going in their brain, right? What is going in their mind. But we can only predict based on the things we are seeing on the screen, right? So
Right.
you need to know that there is no 100% probability, 60 to
Correct,
70%,
correct,
right?
correct, correct.
And in further classes, we are going to talk about some setups wherein we will get an accuracy of 80 to 90% also. So
Per
as and when you get experience, when you practice, your accuracy will keep on increasing. So it depends on your experience. See, some traders who don't have any experience, they may get only 10 to 20% of accuracy here also because their brain may not be like in line with the screen.
Correct. They're not wired. They're not
Yeah.
still getting that.
So it's a game of trading, psychology, knowledge, eh, intelligence, conviction. Conviction is very important in trading. And that conviction you will get only once you have some experience.
Perfect.
Okay. So we will just go back to the charts. Okay. So this is how I was checking the candles, right? So today market is closed, correct? It's not open, right?
Forex, yes. Forex opens tomorrow.
If you want, I can show you in crypto because crypto market is live, right? I can show you in that if you want.
Sure.
I will take the maybe 5 minute chart or maybe just to show you, I will take 1 minute chart. Okay, you can see whether it's open or not. I don't know. It should open. Crypto is 24 cross 7, correct? I think it's not moving. It's not updating. Yeah, it is. See this candle. This is a candle of just 3 minutes back. See, it came down. See, it is updating. See, here you can see that open and high are same. If I put my cursor here, you can see that open and high are same, and that means the market will go down from here. This 76734 is the open price. 76734 is the high price. Both are same, right?
Mm-hmm.
Means the market is going to go down from here, and the market went down, right? See, it is updating red candles. Means the market isn't selling. You can see the candle is updating, correct?
What is it?
This is updating. You can see that this is moving, right? Price is moving. You
Yeah,
can
yeah,
see the
yeah.
last candle. So here also you can see open and high price are same. See, I have put my cursor there.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Open highs, open and
High same means you can
oh,
sell here. You can sell here for intraday.
entry. Okay.
See now here also open high are same. See, it went down again.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
See,
Yeah.
see how fast it is coming down.
And by that time you would have been out, huh? Because you only take,
You have to
you know, you,
entry and exit. See, you have to take only couple of points, right? You should entry and quickly you can exit. See,
this is scalping, right?
this is scalping, yes. See, quickly it is done. Completed. Your trade is completed now. Must be completed.
Right. Wow. Interesting.
Yeah. So this is how you have to practice on the live market. So that will be good for you. You will feel like good that time. See, don't think about profits or losses in the starting, right? Once you gain some experience, once you have some practice, you can cover all your losses in one go.
Correct, correct, correct.
So now here you can see that open and low price are same, right? 76680 open price, 76680 the open price, both are same. So so he so here your prediction should be the market will go up for some points and you will take an entry and exit quickly.
Interesting. And again, you would be like 3 points and then six
Ah,
points.
yes, yes. So the scalpers will do like that. They will quickly take 3 or 4 points and exit, and again they will wait for the next trade.
Uh-huh. Interesting. Exciting, huh?
Yeah. So this is so same thing you can check in Forex also. Once the market opens on Monday, at that time you can go and check. You can plot 1 minute chart, and you can feel it actually. Once the market is live, then only you can feel it.
Mm, okay.
And here there is one psychology actually. One psychology I'll teach you here. See, this is a big red candle, right? This is a big red candle you can see, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
This is a big one, right? So that means that psychology is that the market will not go up until it crosses this high.
Uh-huh.
See, it is forming small candles here, right? Means it may fall again. Or if it go up, then it may not cross this because we have so many sellers here. because it's a big green candle. Big red candle means lot of sellers are there.
Makes sense. Yeah.
And now the market is consolidating. Means you can see small candles right here.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So till the time you see small candles, you don't have to take the trade. So here you don't have to trade. Here you don't have to trade.
You want the big candles.
We want big candles because we want the scalping. We want to take the profits quickly and exit. That's it.
Gotcha.
So that means we want to go with the crowd, right? We don't want to go with the less peoples. Wherever there is more
You want
crowd, we
the,
want to go there.
you, you want the institutions.
Yes, the
You
big
want the big
institutions are
money.
here. Big institutions are here only,
Yes. 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 Interesting.
right?
By that
So
time, you would have been out, huh?
yeah, by the time they will take, we will exit. We will take the points and we will take the profits and exit by the time 4 or 5 points and leave. See,
Yeah.
we may not know how many points institution will take. They may go for 20 points, 30 points, or 40 points. But our aim should be see. So big candle came again.
Oh, whoa. Yeah.
So these are all institutions which are doing everything, which are just manipulating everything. Our target has to be only 3 to 5 points and exit quickly. That's it.
Scalping quickly and out.
Yes. Correct.
For that's like now that's like an 8 hour job. You do it all day and then you
Ha,
make good
ha.
money.
Yeah.
But like you said, you have to take a break, huh?
We have to take a break. See, this I am showing you so that you can uh, practice or you can learn. Once you have hands-on, once you are experienced, then take very less trades only. 1 or 2 trades in a day will be sufficient for you.
Right.
So now are you working or how is it?
I work. I have a job, but I used to. I was the training, but then I didn't lose the interest, but it was not easy, and so I was just doing something else. But I want to go back. I want to learn. I want to keep learning, and just
Okay.
practice. I think that's why I didn't really learn because I stopped practicing. And you have to practice.
Yes, practice is important. So you are in some technical work or how is it? Which work you are doing? May I ask?
Construction.
Construction. Okay.
Yeah.
So so you have a field job or you sit in office and do the work?
No, no, I don't have time for scalping. I do. I go. I have a job from 8 to 4:30. So I
Okay.
can't trade. But I mean, if I come home after work, I can definitely trade, different currencies. Or on
Yes.
Sunday, at Sunday I could trade too.
So yeah, after that you can trade crypto also because crypto and forex are almost same. You have to use the same setup everywhere. So you can use crypto also.
Right, right, right. Okay, sweet. Well, I gotta do something. I'm busy right now, but when you want to have next class?
You can tell me whenever you are available, we can do that.
I'm always free every day after. Well, I'm free on Thursdays. Thursdays I'm free after 6 p.m. PST. I
Okay, then
can
on
I
we
I
can
can
do on
be.
Thursday.
What's the latest? Can you do like, I mean, what's comfortable for you? Can you do 8 p.m. PST for you is better, right? Because then it's not too early.
Uh, your evenings are my mornings. See, your evenings are my mornings, so that is more
Correct.
comfortable for me. On Wednesday I can do. Wednesday or Thursday I can do.
I can't do Wednesday because I have another job. But for now, for sure, Thursdays we can do Thursdays.
Thursday we can do that. So
Thursdays,
Uh, Thursday 9 p.m. your time?
it would be 8 p.m. PSTs, which is like 8:30 Indian
Yeah,
time
same
or
time. Yeah, same
time.
time for me. Yeah, same time for me on. S- so mine will be Friday. Yours will be Thursday, and mine will be Friday morning.
Correct, correct.
So I am fine with that. I'm fine with that.
Perfect,
So
perfect.
that is perfect time for me. And what we can do is that we can do like that. Like whenever you plan to take a class, you can make the payment for that one class, and then we will do the class. So like that we can follow.
Yeah, that's great idea. I just pay you before and then we have class.
Yeah.
And
So
I have your information in Remitly in the bank account so I can pay you
yes,
right away.
sure. So next class we will do on Thursday, 9 p.m. PST time.
8 p.m. PST. which is 8:30 Eastern, right?
8 p.m. your time will be how much? Will be my time how much?
8:30, I think 8:30. It's like 30
Ah,
minute difference.
that is okay. That is okay. Okay.
That's okay? Okay,
Yes.
perfect. Awesome. Thanks so much. I gotta go do something right now.
Yeah,
But
sure.
I'll send you the money this week so we can have class, okay?
Yes, sure, sure. Thank you. And you can share your email ID. You can share your email ID so that I can share this recording with you.
I
Just
will do, I'll send it to you right now, okay?
yes. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye.